Hello DJ world. Just making this short video to show you guys that I have a small hatchback and I have a complete DJ system here. Two 12-inch tops and two subs. So I'll just show you real quick here on the back. I got my my jetpack that has my 707M, laptop, stand, headphones, everything you need to set up your system here, to run the sound and so forth. I got a backpack here with just some layers of clothing, some food. I got my Jackery 2000 V2, which I'm going to use today for an outdoor event. I'm going to power my whole entire system with just a Jackery. I got my cable bag, a couple other cables here, some tape, bungee cords, extra laptop, and a mixer in case I need it, in case my main system goes down. And here in the back, I got two KC 12.2s. Yeah, 12-inch 12.2s QSE. I got my Bose Sub right here, one of them, Bose Sub2. I got my FastSet DJ table, my speaker stands, and I got an umbrella because it is going to be an outdoor event just to protect my gear. And here's on this side here, in the front, I got the other Bose Sub2. And I got my Gator Frameworks cart. And then over here on the other side, I'm just going to show you the other K12.2 here. And then the sub is still squished in the center. So yeah, I can actually fit lights. If I was doing a night event, I wanted to do some lights, I can fit my IR4s, uplights in here as well. My both 360 tubes I can probably squeeze in. I'd have to be a little bit more creative, but it looks like I have enough space to fit everything. So yeah, I can fit a whole rig, enough for around, I would say, 400 people if I really wanted to. I cannot fit 18-inch subs, obviously. That's why I went with the Bose Sub2s. Definitely could fit two of them in here. And yeah, I'm set to go. I'm gonna make a video later with the Jackery 2000 V2 to show that I can power this whole rig, or actually I want to see how long I can power it. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps.